Hello YouTube, this is John Galiwango. So today we are on part 2 of our video of the water overflow of this tank. So we experienced issues about the wall was getting messed up, also the bills were getting high. And right now we have our local ladder at home. It's just a homemade ladder, you can have a stainless one. So right now I'm going to talk about how it went and how you're going to go and access the video on how to do this. It's not going to be on my channel, it's going to be, so I'm going to introduce Herman. So I'm going to introduce Herman and he's going to talk about how things went. Then I'm going to go and check his work and show you how this problem was solved, because we had issues. Whenever the water overflows, we go and close. And if you're very far, the bill will go high. So this is the old ball valve that we used. So I'm going to show you the tools that you need. You have this here. So this is a PPR machine. And before we go to show you the tools, he's going to introduce himself and his channel.
Yeah.
So you can.
So yeah, this is Herman Chizito at Persists Construction, and of course, if you love to see the whole process of what is involved, please check my channel, Persists Construction. Persists Construction for the whole process. And of course, so I want to show you what is really involved and what we used. Some of the things that I have used. So this was the old ball valve as I showed you, and of course these are the pieces. So it was broken, of course.
Broken.
Yeah.
Start time.
And of course,
Add some tools here.
Yeah.
Cutter.
Simple tools. Simple tools. You just need simple tools. This is a spanner. Yeah. Spanner, adjustable spanner, and also, so up there we didn't have a union where you can open to put the ball valve. So we needed a PPR machine because the pipes that they used, they are PPR pipes. So you need a PPR machine to help you weld those pipes together or to bond them together. So you have to use this machine, so and to put the union. Also you need fret tapes. So these are the ones. And also you need a simple cutter, axle blade.
Plus a very power source for powering the machine.
You need an extension.
So what we're going to do, I'm going to go up and we're going to climb, and these things we are done with the process, so I'm going to inspect. You can check on his channel on the process, Herman Persists Construction YouTube channel. So I'm going to go up and while we so as you can see, you're going to go ahead. You have to make sure you climb safely. Yeah. So I'm going to see his work. So he does very many climbing work. So he did the washing machine as I told you in the other previous video. So as I told you, we removed this. We are working on overflow. And this is our part 2. And this is day 2 of our video. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is the old one. You can make sure that you put it anywhere for remembrance, or you can show that the work was done. So what you see here, so even you have the water.
Pause.
So what you see here, it's very simple. We have done the process, and you can go and check on his channel. We have our connector here. He's going to talk about it the other side. Talk about that there.
Yeah, so this is it. Of course, we didn't have a union. The pipe was just straight. It had a valve, but there was no union here. So it was really hard to open and put a new valve. So we needed to put a new union here. So that's why I showed you the PPR machine. Its use was this for the union. Yeah, you open and then it helps you to put a new.
And check on your channel. Talk about your channel. So we're going to put the link of his channel in this video.
Persists Construction.
Yes.
Persists Construction. So
And
you get the whole process.
Yes, and we are at John Galiwango. at John Galiwango YouTube channel. So can support us by joining our membership on this channel. I'm going to show you how this process is going.
Yeah.
So you can see, I think the next video we shall do in future, I'm going to do the cleaning part of the tank. So the overflow is now fixed, as you can see. Yeah. So when the water gets to this level up, it will close. So in the previous video, in our day 1, this was floating and the problem is now solved. So for all washing machines, the plumbing work, you can contact us. We are in Kampala, and you can do very many videos. So John Galiwango travels East Africa. Yeah, travel East Africa, and this was just a project that we wanted to share with you with Aman Beast YouTube channel. It's an upcoming channel, so I'm going to be mentoring him on how you can run a YouTube channel so that you can get nice content about
construction.
Yeah.
Plan-based construction.
Yeah, plan-based construction. Yeah. This is a collaboration. We are going to be sharing more. Yeah.
So of course,
Yeah.
if you check on my channel, I'll be putting more videos on how to clean tanks.
Yes.
So how to install washing machines, how to install water heaters.
Yes.
Do it yourself.
Yeah,
So all those videos.
Yeah. So we are creating a very nice DIY channel.
Plan-based construction.
Yeah. So plus I'll be sharing more about. So on my channel here, you are going to be seeing very many things. We have JVS speaker interior designers. Yeah. We have very many projects, and if you have any car you want to fix, I'm always on the go, and I can help you do that at Buziga Workshop. So you can contact us if you want anything like car apostrophe. And today we're going to log out from here, and the work was nice. So I was doing the inspection. It's very good. We did the washing machine. So in the other videos we shall do on how to change the Hisense washing machine filter,
Cleaning them.
how to put. So we are going to do very many challenges for you, so that we share. So you are located in East Africa, Uganda, Kampala. But if you are there, United States, Canada, you can always go ahead and see and know the solutions of the overflow. So this was just a problem that we have solved within 2 days. So you have to make sure that you have the money for buying these tools. And if you don't know anything about plumbing, you can go to Aman Beast.
Plan-based
Constructions, and everything is going to be there. So I'm very happy that this video did not take a long time. Yeah. And whatever you see here, it's now going to be good. You can always go anywhere you want without knowing that you're going to have a high bill on the overflow. So this was the problem of solving high bills. You can know Uganda, the water is like it. So if you have high bills, they're going to cut off your water. Yeah. So thanks for watching. So you're going to go back down with him. So whatever you see, it's just a process of doing it yourself. If you want to do it yourself, if you want to call us, you call us immediately. So whatever we do, we make sure that we take all the things. You're not going to leave anything here, as you can see. Everything is now legit. So I'm going to go back down. So of course you had some seat for the recording. So I have to make sure that you're safe. Okay. So this is how we do work here in Africa. So we deliver services. All the washing machines were fixed. Now the overflow was the only problem in this tank. As the next video shall show you how to clean it. So thanks for watching. if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my membership, comment, click the bell icon. Don't forget to forward to those people that need help about their washing machines. So I'm going to go and enjoy going long distances without worrying about the water bills. Yeah. So this problem was just a 2 days project and it was done. And subscribe to John Galiwango, and we are doing a collabo with Aman Beasts and construction and plumbing. So I'm very happy that this was just a 2-day project to share with you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
Please check me out at Plum Beast Construction. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Plum Beast Construction.
Yeah, we are done with the project, and this is what we have. So he's going to go ahead and get his tools. So we're going to go ahead and inspect if you have any other plumbing issues at home. Yeah. So whatever you see here, yeah, we have been having a high bill because of the overflow, and we did not notice it. Yeah. So he did the washing machine work, as you can see. This is all his work, and I was there to help him out. Let me show you. This is how the work is. So if you have your washing machine, you can contact us. Yeah. So all this work was done by our plumber here, Aman Beasts, yeah, channel. So all this work was very nice. You don't have any other issues. The only other problem, you're going to go ahead and maybe clean that part that the water was spoiling. Yeah. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, join my membership for more of this. So have a nice time. Goodbye.